Hello everyone, my name is Rosita. I am a vocal and language coach, meaning not only do I teach people how to speak in different languages, I also teach people how to sing in them as well. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a simple sentence in Japanese. So let's get started. The sentence pattern that we are going to learn is noun X plus wa plus noun Y plus this. This sentence pattern translates to noun X is noun Y. This is a great sentence pattern to use for identification, like introducing yourself. 私はロシタです or これはペンです. So let's take a look at wa. Wa is a topic particle. You are going to place it directly after the topic. So for an example, when you're first learning how to introduce yourself in Japanese, we're going to say I, でしょ? Which is 私. So we will have 私は plus your name, this. Now, please note that using this sentence pattern is an informal way of introducing yourself, but a great way to start practicing the sentence pattern here in our group classes. Now, you can use really any noun to be used as the subject here. Then plus the wa, and then you can add another noun. You can also add an adjective if you want. So if you wanted to say, "Oh, this is so cute. これはかわいいです. This is cute." でしょ? But you can use this to describe things as well. To build a basic sentence, the sentence pattern, once again, will be noun X plus wa plus noun Y, this. And until next time, I shall see you in the next video. またねみんな.